Skin Deep Geekers. In our series of factors that affect our skin, today we are going to be talking about the role of genetics. So there's not a lot of information out there onto the role that our genes play, specifically specific genes that code for specific traits. However, we do have more technology available to us, such as microarray technologies that have started to tell a story about what genes are doing and what they're coding for in our skin. So let's first define what a gene is. A gene is like a basic unit of heredity that is passed down from a parent to an offspring. And genes were first discovered by Gregor Mendel when he was exploring his garden. And he was exploring how the different traits are passed down through different plants, and that's pretty awesome. But genes are found in our cells. So as all human beings and all living organisms are made of cells. And cells can be thought of as the basic structural, functional, and biological unit of living organisms. Now, cells themselves have all these different organs, which are called organelles, and they have a nucleus. Inside the nucleus, cells will house chromosomes. And chromosomes are made of proteins and nucleic acids, which pretty much is what we know as DNA. And these DNA strands themselves are comprised of small genes. And each of these genes codes for a specific protein. So it turns out that because our skin is made primarily of proteins, it kind of makes sense that genes themselves will code for that. And what we see in the skin is we see a variety of skin types, of skin colors, of skin conditions, and a lot of these different traits have to do with the different types of races. So for instance, Asian skin is really beautiful and delicate and has these really, really small pores, and that's advantageous. But at the same time, we will find that most Asian skin will have a very, very, very thin stratum corneum. That is the outermost layer of your epidermis. And due to the fact that it's very thin, it also means that the skin is most vulnerable to toxins. Now, other studies have shown that after being exposed to coal tar, white Caucasian skin will develop inflammatory lesions, so inflamed acne, whereas darker skin types won't develop inflammatory acne, but will actually develop the open comedones, like little white heads and blackheads in response to coal tar. So that is a striking difference to the same set of conditions, which is coal tar. So genetics also play a role in how our skin ages. So not just our skin features, but the aging process. And it turns out that our different genes are going to code for the upregulation, which is an increase, and the downregulation, which is the decrease of certain activities. So for instance, as you get older, there's downregulation of certain hormones. There's downregulation of keratin production. There's downregulation of collagen production and lipids that contribute to your skin looking young and supple and beautiful. At the same time, there's like upregulation of oxidative processes that contribute to your skin aging. Now, while genes do play a role, do not forget that your lifestyle, the environment, and all of those beauty products that you put on your skin will also contribute immensely to the quality of your skin, particularly of your skin over time. So with that, I leave you towards our next episode where we'll examine what lifestyle does to your skin.